Good morning, girls. Now craft time. I want to show you today one coconut tree. So for this you need green color paper, two shade, and brown color paper. But I don't have brown color paper. That's why I am using red color paper. So you, if you get brown color paper, you can use brown color paper. Otherwise, you take white color paper and color it like a brown. But I am taking red color paper now. So first I show you how to make leaf, coconut leaf. You take green color paper and fold it like that one time, then long two times, three times, and four times. After folding four times, you take, draw and show you. So just from like this. Okay. See guys, like this. Then you catch it opposite like that, and your scissor you cut it downwards, small downwards. Understand? Then opening. After opening, catch your scissor. Otherwise, scale also you can use. Slowly you do like that. Slowly you do like that. Okay. Then you open. Take some gum. Apply is like that. Take a wire. Okay. Inside you attach a wire where you can get any stationery or any hardware shop also, or greenware, yeah, silverware also you can take. Inside you place it, and up one more leaf you attach and do like this. You see. Okay. See, coconut leaf. Okay. I'll make more 7 or 8 like this leaf. First this dark green, then this light green also I use for leaf. The dark green 4 leaf completed. Now I am taking light green. Okay. You can use one color green paper also, but if you use two colors, the shade will come and it looks nice. See? And 4 times. After 4 times. From up to down like this. Okay. See. will just reverse it and downwards you cut small strips. Then you open scissor or scale, do like this. Okay, take apply Fevicol inside gum here. Okay, take one wire. That's it. And that portion. More 3 I will make and I'll show you. See, all coconut leaf completed. Now I'll make coconut. Okay, take any newspaper, some only, make a ball, small ball. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 coconut I am making, 4 balls. Then it's waste paper you have na green color for cutting. Take this paper, inside you keep this paper ball and make small coconut. Okay, then one more, take, apply Fevicol inside your ball. Coconut shape and attach it like that. Okay, Fevicol with balls inside. Inside the keep ball. Very easy. If you make more coconut, your choice, you can make. I made 4 for showing you. This portion now. Right, attach all. Paper and down all wire you twist and attach all together. Then I give shape. Okay, up and down, your choice, anything you can do. Then you keep coconut here. Okay. Okay. Now down portion. Down portion, first I told you use brown paper. I don't have. I'm using this red color paper. From the corner, you roll it thin to fat. Okay. Then apply gum. Nicely. Attach it. Down portion. 1, 2, 3 part. You do like this, it will stand. Inside, roll one more newspaper. Roll it newspaper. Okay. Inside you put this newspaper nicely, and here you apply gum. Inside you apply gum, and this wire part, place it inside. Now adjust all leaf after placing. Okay, so it's completed. Then take any container, plastic container or bowl, anything, any waste box, you just attach it like that. You apply here Fevicol and attach it like that, and just try it at home and send me picture. Thank you.